Hello! In today's video, I will show you how to extend the background of an image using the Generative Fill tool in Photoshop. Generative Fill is a powerful AI tool that allows you to add, extend, or remove content from your image. First, open your folder and drag the image you want to work with into Photoshop. To extend the background, we'll need to adjust the canvas size. For this example, next, make a selection in the middle of the image. Then, invert the selection to ensure we are selecting the right area, including the edges of the image. Once the area is selected, we can use the Generative Fill tool. You can find Generative Fill in the contextual taskbar. Click on it, leave the input box blank, and press Generate. Photoshop will create several options for filling the background. You will be presented with 3 options to choose from. Review the options and select the one that best suits your image. And that's it. This is how you can use Generative Fill to extend the background of an image in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.